To purchase a cold Debit spread on Robinhood, start by opening the app and locating the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in the stock name you wish to buy and select it to view its details. On the right side of the screen, you will see the Trade Options feature, which you need to click on. This will open a new screen where you can choose to buy a call on your selected stock. Begin by clicking the Buy button, then select the ask price you want for the stock at the bottom of the screen. Next, click on the Sell button and choose your bid price for the selected stock. Robinhood will recognize this as a cold Debit spread, and you will see this indicated at the top of the screen. Proceed by clicking Continue, then Review Order, and your purchase will be complete. The process is straightforward, and by following these steps, you can easily buy a cold Debit spread on Robinhood.